In a few clicks, you'll be writing your paper in basic APA format using Google Docs. Let's begin a new document. APA format requires consistent appearance, so let's select a font of Times New Roman and a size of 12. APA also requires that all of your text be double-spaced. So select double and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after paragraphs. Check that the paragraph spacing is 0 for both before and after spacing. Move down to create your title page. The text should be centered and double-spaced approximately in the middle of the title page. Type your complete title, your name without any degrees or titles, and your institution. If your instructor requires different or additional information, do as your instructor directs. APA requires that the title page have a different header than the remaining pages, so insert a header and mark Different First Page. The title is to be on the left and the page number on the right. An easy way to accomplish that is to insert a table with 2 columns, then move the divider over to leave just enough space for the page number. Now type running head and a colon, followed by the title or an abbreviated title of your paper, in all uppercase. Then click on the right column and right align it so that the page number will be on the right margin. Then insert the page number. Next, remove the border lines from around the header table. Select Table Properties and change the table border color to white. Now insert a page break below your institution to begin your first content page. Some APA documents may require an abstract page before the content, but for now just begin your content page. First, copy and paste the title of your paper to the top of your first content page. Next, you'll need to add the header. Double-click the title page header and select the entire header table. Then copy and paste it to the header of the content page. Pasting the table leaves an extra line, so delete that extra line. The running head on pages after the title page do not include the words running head, so just delete them. Begin the content of your document by left justifying the paragraph and using the Tab key to indent the first line. Alternatively, you may use the first line indent feature. Drag the horizontal bar on the ruler to the ½ inch mark. This will indent the first line of every paragraph until you change the format. When you have finished writing the content, it's time to create the references page. Insert another page break so that the references are on a separate page. Center the word references on the top of the page. Notice that it isn't actually centered. This is because the ½ inch indent is included with the text. To center the text, move the horizontal first line indent bar back to the left margin. Begin the first reference by left justifying and removing the first line indent if it is still set. References require a hanging indent. So drag the left indent triangle to the ½ inch mark and return the first line indent horizontal bar to the left margin. Now all lines after the first line will be indented. Your document is already saved in Google Drive, but many colleges require you to submit documents in Microsoft Word format. So download a copy in Word format, docx. This will retain all of the APA formatting. Give the file a name and save it to your computer to submit when needed. This was one way to create APA documents in Google Docs.